What is
What
your
is your
name?
name?
My name is Aman.
My name is Aman.
How are you today?
I am feeling great.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
What do you like to eat?
I love eating pizza and burgers.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love watching.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where do you study?
I study in college.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy playing cricket and painting.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love pets.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What is your favorite food?
I love chocolate.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you play games?
Yes, I love playing games.
Why have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have visited Dubai.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use it every day.
Do you like staying at home?
Yes, I enjoy staying at home.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 9 p.m.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 4 a.m.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love nature.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I enjoy studying.